So, welcome back students to one more session of your CBSE Grade 10. We have been doing Unit 2, that is Acids, Bases and Salts. So, today now we are going to do NCERT, that is 2.2 topic. So, what actually is 2.2 topic? The NCERT or the CBSE is trying to teach us what do acids or bases have. So basically, what do they have? Why do I call it as an acid? Why do I call it as a base? Let us divide the page into two and see. So basically, when I have to speak about an acid or when I have to speak about a base, simple thing. Let us first take the examples. So give me one best example. Simple: hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, acetic acid, carbonic acid, phosphoric acid, or nitric acid. Yes? Now, let us take an example of a base. Sodium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide. So, lot of bases. But what is the difference? We'll see. Suppose if I take HCl as an acid, I dissolve it in water. What will I get? When you dissolve an acid into water, it will immediately break up into two different ions. First thing, right? So here this water is a part of it. Let us write on the arrow, it is dissolved in water. It will break up into two ions, H plus ion and Cl minus ion. Let us take one more acid, H2SO4. When you dissolve it in water, this will break up into two ions, H2, so it will become as 2H plus SO4 minus 2. Ma'am, why 2? Because here 2 positives should get cancelled with 2 negatives. Let us take one more. If I have to take acetic acid, CH3COOH, but because it is a weak acid, the dissociation will be less, but no problem. CH3COO minus and H plus. Again, you have got H plus. Now, what are you observing? Whenever an acid is dissolved in water, it is going to dissociate or ionize into an ion called H plus ion. You understood? Yes. So whenever acids are dissolved in water, they are going to release or dissociate. Dissociate means breaking into ions called H plus ion. Okay. Now little understanding I have got.
Unacademy, the biggest online platform, learning platform in India. Let's crack it. I'm Vani Potepalli, the verified educator for grade 12 students, CBSE, ICSE as well as state board students are with me.
For free students. The upcoming classes are doubt clearing session every Monday and Tuesday. Special classes include tips to learn general organic chemistry, tricks to perform chemistry board practicals, mind maps for organic and inorganic chemistry, and quiz. That too along with the fun facts of grade 11 students. Please join me in the special classes and enjoy the sessions.
These are the Unacademy Plus subscription features where you have daily practice sessions, mock tests which are going on, live quizzes which will be going on, subjective test series coming soon. Join us. Unacademy iconic subscription features include personal mentors. You have live doubt clearing sessions. Weekly reports will be sent to the parents. Parent connect where the report will be sent to the parent and the educators are in contact with the parents too. A study planner is perfectly planned and all benefits of Plus also will come under iconic.
Vani 10 and Vani Life is my referral code. These are the subscription rates for 11 and 12 plus iconic subscription. Rates are given. Please check the rates, students. Vani 10 and Vani Life is my referral code again to mention. These are grade 12 subscription for the plus and grade 12 subscription for the iconic. You can choose for 1 month, 3 months also because you still have 100 days for the board examination, students. Join me there. Unacademy presents for grade 10 students a very important and beautiful competition. Just check the details. The most challenging battle Unacademy combat to level up your preparations and practice for the CBSE grade 10 board examination, students. It's for both maths and science subjects would be undertaken. Now I'll tell you the timings, the competition, where you stand in the leaderboard all over India. So Unacademy combat, revise, practice and win. Get set to ace the CBSE 10th board examination, students. A chance to assess your progress and take part in a fun challenge. So this revise, practice and win, the score, leaderboard, rating and awards. There are a lot and lot to win, students. Let us see the details. Please try to participate in the competition. Let's see with the syllabus. K10 combat format would be 40 minutes experience in your life, 30 super questions, 6 combats, negative scoring, English and Hindi language both are available. Detailed video solutions also would be there after the competition. Combat timelines would be Combat 1, 31st January, subjects are maths and science in all the combats. So from Combat 1 till Combat 6, the date is scheduled. We are there with you till your board examinations. So note the start date, students, 31st January till 11th April. All the dates as mentioned, note the date, note the timings, and also note the subjects. Right. So combat syllabus as per NCERT, that's the updated 2021 syllabus. Maths syllabus and science syllabus is given here, students. Note the topics and get prepared for the competition. Detailed video solutions by the best educators would be given. So once your competition is done, you will know what are the solutions for the questions asked to. So know how well do you perform for the among the 1,000 learners in India. Live competition, students, participate. So here questions would be given to you that is going to test your understanding of concepts, and how you're going to apply the concepts in the application is going to be tested in this competition. Enroll now in the Unacademy Combat. Use the code Unacademy. So what you need to do, download the app from Google Play Store and you can register today, students. But don't forget to use the referral code Unacademy. And the most exciting. So rank 1 students are going to get 12 months Unacademy CBSE Class 11 plus subscription. Wow. And the second prize winner would be getting 6 months of 11th class subscription. Rank 3 students will be getting 6 months Unacademy CBSE grade 11 subscription, and along with that, so plus you would be there in the plus platform enjoying all the features. Rank 4 to 50 will be getting 1 month Unacademy CBSE Class 11 plus subscription, students. So look at the prizes. So note, students, Unacademy, the first combat competition is on January 31st, 2021, time 11 a.m.
Now let us start with the base. So as I said, let us take sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide, I am going to dissolve it in water. So remember, whenever you are dissolving a base in a water, then it is called alkali. I'll explain you later about this. So remember, base in water is nothing but alkali. It's going to break and form Na plus OH minus ion. Let us take one more base. Calcium hydroxide. So same thing again, I'm going to dissolve it in water, then it's going to break up into 2 ions, Ca plus 2, because this is 2, so OH2, OH minus ions. The calcium valency is plus 2, so plus 2, here 2, got cancelled. Let us take one more example, zinc hydroxide. It's going to dissolve in water, it's going to form Zn plus 2 OH minus ion. So base is a substance, when dissolved in water, it is going to dissociate into OH minus ions. See here. Now can we write a definition? We can write, isn't it? Let us come back and see the definition. Let us erase. Acids are giving H plus ions, bases are giving OH minus ions. Let us take out that and write a definition. So let us note this definition in the classwork for both. What does it say? It says acids are substances. Definition of an acid, let us write, acids are substances. What do they do? Which dissociate or ionize. Let us write, which dissociate or ionize when dissolved in water. When dissolved in water, into what? Water, into, dissolved in water into H plus ions or hydronium ions. What is that? We will see. So H plus ions are those when acids are dissolved, we get H plus. Hydronium ion is one more word which I use. I'll explain this. How should I write the definition of a base? Simple, isn't it? Bases are substances. Same thing. Bases are substances which dissociate means breaking up into two or more substances, or ionize when dissolved in water, into which ions? Into OH minus ion, hydroxide ions, right? So let us underline this. Acid means H plus ion, basis means OH minus ions. Please note this. This is the basic definition. Done. Now further, if I take an acid, now remember the H plus ions are never stable, right? What are you going to do? Let us see the step 2 of this. Let us erase the definition. Now I understood acid means it will release H plus, base means it will release OH minus. Now as I said, H plus is not stable. So what does it do? This H plus, whatever is there, it will be there in the beaker of water. That means I am going to take in this way. I am going to take HCl. I have water. When they dissolve, they get H plus ions. So all these H plus ions will be there in this beaker moving, which is very unstable. So this H plus ion further combines with this water, and it is going to form a new compound, or rather it is not a new compound, it is a different form of H plus, that is nothing but hydronium ion. That means both are same, nothing. Water, it exists, means acids, it either exists as H plus or it releases H plus, or it is H3O plus. Both are the different forms of H plus. So since H plus is unstable, it's going to combine with water and forms H3O plus. So remember that. So here, this is what is understanding. Suppose if I take the same base and I'm going to dissolve it in water. What do I call? Remember this. I said base dissolved in water is called alkali. Right? So there are two different types of bases. Just acids also. Let us see it in the step 3 now. So you understood, I think, students. Base dissolved in water is alkali. So whenever you say, ma'am, base is reacting with something, means you're thinking about alkali is there. Means it is already dissolved in water. Then I've used it for the reaction.
much.